I'm Foreman with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about your toilet handle that sticks. For this, you'll need a pair of pliers. First step is to go ahead and remove the back of the tank. Make sure you're really careful with this because it is delicate and breaks rather easy. After you get the back of the tank off, you want to go ahead and remove the handle. For that, take your pliers and remove the nut on the back. You gotta be careful not to strip it because it is plastic. A lot of times the reason these stick is because they've been put on too tight, or there's something when it actually flushes that holds it up so all your water comes out. So what I like to do is go ahead and remove it, make sure there's nothing in there kind of keeping it from being able to go up and down and catching on the back here. Sure it looks good. Make sure that you have a nice little bit of room in there so it's not sticking on anything. Next, you put it back in and go ahead and retighten the bolt. Make sure you don't over tighten it because it will strip out. You want it a little bit over finger tight. Next thing is, when the toilet is actually flushing, this system comes up and allows the flapper to let all the water out. A lot of times this will get stuck here. There's a foam piece that's under here. You want to make sure that it's not wore out because otherwise it'll create a seal against here where it's wet and it'll just stick to the top and keep it from draining and shutting down right. So for this, you just make sure that it's nice and dry there. If you need to, go ahead and just take a little piece of foam and put it back on here. And that's how you do it. I'm Foreman with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to fix a toilet handle that sticks. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next project.